Yeah, what's up, buddy? We got a unboxing. I'm in my car. Usually I do it inside, but let's see what I got from the Netherlands. Let's listen to my homeboy Calypso over at it. Produce a song with Milana. The name of the song is called Down. Alright. So yeah, I got this from Netherlands. I'm not trying to music down a little bit. So I got this from the Netherlands. Let's not help. So very, very dope t-shirt. Mercedes Benz, Tommy Hilfiger. So yeah, it's a Mercedes Petronas. Petronas. This is like the racing, F1 racing shirts, t-shirts. Yeah, buddy. I don't have an AMG, but I do have 4-year-old Mercedes, which is 5-year-old Mercedes, which is pretty cool. I only have 24,000 miles on it. I don't really drive it very much. I also have a Jetta, but I always wanted one of these little shirts, like a cool shirt. But for the most part, I've only had Mitsubishis and Hondas. I never really wanted to care to buy a Mitsubishi or a Honda t-shirt. But I felt like this was kind of cool. I guess I'll go ahead and bust it open because I am going to be wearing this shirt. Paper. Oh, that's sexy. So yeah, you got Mercedes, UBS, Qualcomm. It's a Tommy Hilfiger shirt. So it's got Tommy Hilfiger on the back as well, with the Petronas F1. A couple other people on the side. Epson. They make like printers and ink and shit. Bose stereos, Pirelli tires, and Wihiri? I don't know what the fuck that is. I'll Google it. And on the other side, we have Epson, Bose, IWC watches. I guess that's IWC watches. And TIPC. Maybe that's like a bank or some shit. Alright, I guess I gotta go to work. That's the end of that video. So, deuces till the next video.